Meal prep is often praised, but rarely executed consistently. The gap between intention and action usually comes down to one thing: the sheer amount of planning required. That's where AI has quietly become a reliable sous chef. Tools like ChatGPT or dedicated meal planning apps can take a few simple inputs, dietary preferences, calorie targets, available ingredients, and generate a full week of meals, complete with portion sizes and cooking instructions. The real breakthrough is in the optimization. AI can automatically balance macros, rotate ingredients to reduce waste, and even adjust schedules around your work or gym routine. One user reported sticking with their plan for 3 months by using an AI that learned their taste preferences over time, suggesting swaps for ingredients they didn't enjoy. The result wasn't just time saved, it was a sustainable system that removed decision fatigue. The key takeaway is that AI doesn't replace the cooking, it replaces the friction of planning, making consistency the default rather than the goal.